Let's talk about why we stock these contact kits. Do you see these industrial-grade manufacturing masterpieces? They rely on precise, reliable motor control. When those controls go bad, they get pitted, burned, and have all kinds of chatter. Without reliable motor controls, this factory can't turn springs, and these guys can't assemble blenders. And that means production stops for these admirable United States businesses. So, in our efforts to power the businesses of America, we now distribute high-quality, direct replacement contact kits for all major brands of motor starters and contactors, such as Square D, Cutler-Hammer, Allen Bradley, Siemens, General Electric, ABB, and much more. They're built with 90% silver complex and suitable for both IEC and NEMA-rated applications, from NEMA size 0 to NEMA size 6. Our top quality product is only matched by our attention to detail with the packaging. Take a look at these glorious close-ups. You gotta love all that cushy foam protection. Our contact kits come neatly packaged with all the tiny little parts that you'll need to install them. Scan the QR code on the side of the box to access a simple, thorough instruction sheet complete with helpful diagrams. Listen, here's the bottom line. We have the high-quality contact kits that you need to help businesses keep the production lines going. From the whole family, thank you for shopping our contact kits.